You guys want to know what it took for me to build this thing? Let me tell you. Welcome back to the channel, guys. As you just saw, we got the front wheel for the CBR1000. We're gonna put that on and then we're gonna go for the first test drive. Bike is all ready to go. Now we just got to make it to a gas station because we're pretty low on gas. All right, here we go. I only got a few miles of gas in here, so let's try to make it to the quickest gas station, and then we'll test her out for reals. Showtime! But that front tire, since it's brand new, it's got a little wax on it, so you never want to push a new tire hard. So we'll get that broke in, and then we'll see what this baby can do. Man, I've been waiting for this. Oh my gosh, this quick shifter is amazing. The quick shifter is amazing. Look at this. It's so smoothless. This thing is immaculate. Now, I don't know if you guys are familiar with CBRs, but they only wake up in the 8,000, 9,000 RPM range, so temperature's good, no codes. Get that front tire moving a little bit. This bike feels slow. Goodness gracious. That was weird. Wow, isn't 1,000? It's not supposed to be that slow. I'm gonna give it more throttle this time. It still feels slow to me. I think I have the wrong user setting on. Okay, yep, it was the modes. No way. You gotta be kidding me. It's spinning the back tire. It's literally spinning the back tire. You see that rev range? Yeah, I just spun the whole way back there. I don't know if you can tell this on camera, but there's literally a line where I was doing constant burnouts every time I was on the throttle. Tomorrow morning at 6:30 in the morning, my favorite state patrol officer will be here to inspect the bike and allow me to register it. So I'm gonna head home with the bike, do some paperwork, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow morning, bright and early.
Bikes galore going here.
Just like that, the bike has been inspected and it passed inspection. The State Patrol officer actually recommended that I do some body work on the swing arm to clean up all those nasty scratches, and you guys recommended this sweet trim black paint that I'm gonna put on it to match the rest of the bike. So let's get to work. You guys want to know what it took for me to build this thing? Let me tell you. So I got the magical piece of paper right here. Let me tell you the numbers. So first, the bike with fees cost me $7,377.45. Now I purchased all my parts from eBay and RevZilla. Now RevZilla is a third-party dealer for OEM Honda parts. Now the total cost of parts from eBay was $2,331.57. Now from RevZilla, my total from them, which is OEM Honda, was $2,126.42. So finally, that brings the total of this bike with parts and the bike to $11,835.44. Now I think this is a pretty sweet deal because nowadays, these bikes with the same mileage are going retail for around $17,000. Now a few fun facts for you guys. The most expensive part on this bike for me was actually the subframe right here, which was $653.77. And the second most expensive part, I'm pretty sure you guys can guess it, but it was the OEM gas tank, which was $549.08. And first and foremost, God is the MVP on this bike build, as well as my mom and dad. And this thing is a beast, so let's hit the road. Just like that, the bike is complete. We'll catch you in the next one. See ya.